clang. Every bell rings up. Go from the past, no way out. Cold ropes at my back, in the corner of my mind. I face myself. Grinding teeth as I tighten the gloves, as that I lose his voice, my heartbeat roars back. Sweat and regret soaked in my mouthpiece, I bite it down, excuses fear. Piece by piece, blinding lights, but my gaze stays locked. Am I fighting him, or the man I was? Every shaky knee, the crowd tests me, will I stand or break? My soul splitting, out of breath but I won't slow down. Heart like a drum, it pounds too loud. More than fists, what scares me most is the man in the mirror staring back. King or weak, choose it with this one strike. King or weak, scream till your throat ignites. King or weak, let your fist decide it now. King or weak, king or weak. King or weak. Said memories matter more than wins one night, but reality's cold numbers don't lie. Every name that laughed, you've got no gift to carve in my jabs, and I land that hit. Tears, I left them on the ring, never taking home defeat again. Shaking guard, my vision blurred, still I step in, push through the herd. Even if my fists break, I hold tight. Wrap fear and doubt in bandages tight. Do I fall before I fight, or take it all before I drop? King or weak, choose it with this one strike. King or weak, scream till your throat ignites. King or weak, let your fist decide it now. King or weak. King or weak. King or weak. Count one, will you rise? 2, 3, still alive. 4, 5, vision shakes. 6, 7, mind breaks. 8, now decide. Get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Me, no one remembers a back that